Dear friends, good morning to all. This is your RAPETI Suryanarayana advocate from Visakhapatnam. In the earlier sessions, I gave many lectures with regard to various topics. All those lectures are useful, helpful, important to the practicing advocates, law students, and also to the students who are appearing for judicial competitive exams and other competitive exams. Those topics are also useful and helpful to the general public for their legal awareness. In the previous session, I gave a lecture with regard to what I mean by offense and also limitation for filing a complaint with regard to an offense, and also time not included in period of limitation with regard to an offense for filing a complaint, and also date not included in period of limitation for filing a complaint or case in court of law with regard to offense committed. In this lecture, I would like to give very helpful information to you all. That is, if the period of limitation for filing a complaint or case expires, then what will happen? Whether there is any option to the party to file a complaint or case in a court of law with regard to an offense committed. Generally, in the earlier sessions, we have discussed that there is a limitation, there is a period of limitation for filing a complaint in court of law. If that period of limitation expires, then what the injured or suffered party or victim have to do? Is there any alternative or option for filing a complaint in a court of law? Then what is the remedy to the victim party? Why? Because the period of limitation for filing a complaint expires. After the expiry of period of limitation, with regard to an offense committed for filing a complaint, then what will be the remedy to the party, aggrieved party or victim? Is there any options? Let us see in this session with regard to extension of period of limitation for filing a complaint or case in a court of law with regard to an offense committed. The court may take cognizance. The court may take cognizance of an offense after expiry of period of limitation for filing a complaint or case in court of law with regard to such offense committed. When the court may take cognizance after the lapse of period of limitation, if the court is satisfied on the facts and in the circumstances of the case. If the court is satisfied on the facts and in the circumstances of the case that the delay has been properly explained or that cognizance or taking cognizance of the offence by the court is necessary so to do in the interest of justice. That means, in the interest of justice, it is necessary to take cognizance or consider a case even after the expiry of period of limitation for taking cognizance. Why? Because it is necessary so to do to take cognizance with regard to such offence, even though after the expiry of period of limitation for taking cognizance. It depends upon facts of the case and if the delay is properly explained to the court by the aggrieved party or victim, why that party did not file case or complaint with regard to such offence committed within a limitation period. If properly explained with regard to delay caused for filing a complaint or case in a court of law, and if the court is satisfied with the explanation given by the victim or aggrieved party with regard to the delay for not filing a case or complaint within a period of limitation for filing a complaint in a court of law. And also, if court is satisfied that taking of cognizance with regard to an offence committed is so to do if even after expiry of period of limitation for taking cognizance by such court in the interest of justice. It means in the interest of justice, the court may take cognizance even after period of limitation expires if it is necessary. In these circumstances, the court may take cognizance even after expiry of period of limitation for filing a complaint or case in a court of law. Only 2 points is there. The first point is, if the delay is properly explained by the aggrieved party or victim party to the court, why the aggrieved party not filed a complaint or case in a court of law within a period of limitation. Next point, taking cognizance of the offence committed is necessary to do justice to the aggrieved party even after lapse of period of limitation for taking cognizance by such court with regard to offence committed. That means, in a brief manner, I would like to say to you all, the court may take cognizance after the expiry of period of limitation for filing a complaint or case in a court of law with regard to offence committed if the court is satisfied on the facts and in the circumstances of the case that the delay is properly explained. Delay is properly explained with regard to non-filing case or complaint in a court of law, or if the court considers that taking cognizance is necessary to do in the interest of justice. In these circumstances, the court may take cognizance of the offence even after expiry of period of limitation for taking cognizance or for filing complaint or case in a court of law with regard to offence committed. Only 2 points is there. The court should be satisfied with regard to the delay, and if the delay is properly explained, the court shall be satisfied with regard to delay, or there should be necessary so to do in the interest of justice. In these two circumstances, the court may take cognizance after lapse of period of limitation. I hope it is clear to all. The first point is we have to explain properly with regard to delay. Next point, taking cognizance is necessary. For what purpose? To do justice. In the interest of justice, it is necessary to take cognizance with regard to offence committed. In these two circumstances, basing on the facts and circumstances of the case, if the court is satisfied, the court may take cognizance even after expiry of period of limitation for filing a complaint or case in a court of law with regard to offence committed. I hope this lecture with regard to extension of period of limitation for filing a case or complaint in a court of law. That means even after expiry of period of limitation, the court may take cognizance in the circumstances just now I stated. I hope this concept is clear to all. Kindly share my videos, like my videos, and subscribe my channel. Once again, I will repeat these points. After the expiry of period of limitation for filing a complaint or case, even after expiry of period of limitation, the court may take cognizance if the delay is properly explained, or the taking cognizance is necessary so to do in the interest of justice. In these two circumstances, the court may take cognizance even after expiry of period of limitation for filing a complaint or case in a court of law. Thank you a lot. Kindly like my videos, share my videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you.